Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Invention TV. In today's video, we have combined 10 incredible and most essential kitchen gadgets and smart appliances for every home that will make your cooking easier. Which you can buy today on Amazon or online. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. Without wasting up your time, let's get started. Number 1. Cheese Chopper. Cheese Chopper is the world's best all-in-one cheese device. Is a revolutionary new way to slice, shred, and store your cheese with ease. Get the perfect slice every time. The Cheese Chopper's ergonomic design is fast, safe, airtight, easy to clean, and creates the perfect slice every time, all while fitting every standard 2-pound brick of cheese. Two. Nemco Tomato Slicer. Nemco Tomato Slicer save time, labor, and valuable workspace with the easy tomato slicer. A full-size machine, its highly efficient design takes 60% less counter space than other, bulkier units. Razor-sharp blades cut with trouble-free precision, thanks to a unique self-lubricating track material that resists misalignment problems that cause nicks and broken blades. Vertical handles and protective guards improve user comfort and safety. Cleans up quickly and easily. 3. Nemco Stainless Steel Food Slicer. Nemco has combined an elegant design with the performance of a powerful food slicer. Slice meat, cheese, bread, vegetables, and fruit quickly and easily. 5. Anti-splatter. Utensil Stir Time is an automatic pan stirrer with timer. The helping hand you need in the kitchen. Simply place it in a pan or pot. Turn it on. Choose from 3 speed options, and it will do the job for you. 6. Cupboard Store. Under-shelf storage drawer. Joseph's Cupboard Store range. Designed to make more of your cabinet space, by adding extra storage solutions from tiered organizers to drawers that attach to your cabinet shelves. Seven. Conifer Food Chopper Quad Blade Dual Bowl. 8. Multi-function spice box. Made of high-quality plastic material, durable and practical. Large capacity, perfectly used to hold seasoning bottle, chopsticks, spoons, fruit peeler and keeps them in order. With an extra knife slot, holds the sharp knives in place and avoids children getting hurt incautiously. Effectively keeps your kitchen and tidy. Large capacity and several compartments to organize your accessories systematically. Nine. Non-slip rotating storage. The anti-slip performance is excellent. When you rotate it, you don't have to worry whether the items in the storage box will slip out. Help you save a lot of countertop space. Whether the house is big or small, a neat and orderly room can always bring you a good mood. Organizing all the cosmetics, seasoning, detergents. Rotate it to get the thing you want. You enjoy this video, don't you? Our team will be glad if you can like and share this video with your friends on social media. But before then, make sure you subscribe to this channel for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. We love you. Smart Invention TV. Inspire minds to be creative.